the last part of solid state. We studied about the unit cell, the different types of unit cell in which we have to do the cubic structure in detail, and we did the number of particles that can come in a particular unit cells. Now in this part we are going to see the arrangement of particles. How are the particles arranged? We can have the arrangement as linear arrangement, we can have it in 2 dimension, we can have it in 3 dimension. When you have linear arrangement, you just consider a line. When you have it in 2 direction, you consider it to be a plane. So let's go for the concept. In case of linear arrangement, the constituent particles, we are considering them of equal size. So we consider spheres as particles which are of equal size. When the spheres are arranged in one row touching each other, here each sphere is coming in contact with two neighboring spheres. Hence here the coordination number in case of linear packing becomes 2. Such packing is called as linear packing in one direction. Second type of packing is continuation of linear. It is called as planar packing. In spite of line, if you keep on arranging more spheres one below the other, you will get a plane. This type of packing is a planar packing. It is of two types. First one is called as AAA type of arrangement. Here the lines of spheres are arranged just one below the other, or you can say the spheres are arranged one below the other in one line, forming one line. They are aligned vertically as well as horizontally. If you check the line vertically, they are in one line. If you check it horizontally, then also they are in one line. In such case, each sphere is coming in contact with 4 neighboring spheres. Such type, when you join the 4 neighboring spheres, you consider one sphere here in the diagram as shown as C, and when you join its neighboring spheres which are shown in green color, you get a square. Such type of structure that is formed is a square close packing type of structure which is obtained in 2 dimension. It is square close packing structure. Second type is AB-AB type of arrangement. Now in AB-AB arrangement, in the diagram you can see the first line which is called as A. Now the second line that is arranged, it has got in the depression, the second line is present in the depression of A. Depression means between the two blue spheres, the gap that is present, it is called as depression. In that the B particle is present. The particles, orange spheres which we consider line B, they are present. The particles are not lying one below the other. Here we find that A line particles are in one line and B line particles are not matching with A, but all BB line particles are matching each other. So we have given here two different colors. Blue is for A and orange is for B. The arrangement of the sphere here of the two rows do not match each other. Such type of arrangement is called as AB-AB type of arrangement. If you see a particular sphere, it is coming in contact with 6 neighboring spheres, and hence the coordination number becomes 6, and this type of packing is called as hexagonal close packing. Now the empty spaces which are formed, they are triangular in nature. The empty spaces which are formed here, those empty spaces here, they are triangular in nature. You can try in your notebooks and see. The next type of packing is a 3D type of packing, 3-dimensional packing. In this type, the first one is ए टाईप ऑफ पॅकिंग, पण 3D मध्ये. This type of packing gives rise to simple cubic structure. Now here we have seen that in two-dimensional crystal layer AA type, म्हणजे first row is A, second row is also A, third is A. Here the spheres of all the layers, when you keep on placing new spheres above, one above the other, it is forming a cube-like structure. That is, all the spheres of different layers are horizontally and vertically, they are perfectly arranged in three-dimensional manner. Here each sphere is surrounded by 6 spheres, in which the 4 spheres are in its own layers. One sphere is above, in the above layer, and one sphere is in the lower layer. Here the coordination number of the sphere becomes 6, and the empty space that is present in this simple cubic structure is 47.6. Here empty space is more because all the particles, this is a three-dimensional arrangement. Like how you see a cube, that arrangement. The particles are arranged in 3D structure, 3 formation. प्लेन नाही आहे आता पार्टिकल्सला, लेंथ ब्रेथ अँड हाईट तिन्ही आहे. बट स्पेशालिटी काय आहे, ऑल द पार्टिकल्स, ऑल द स्फिअर्स आर वन बिलो द अदर, गॅप्समध्ये नाही आहे. दिस इज गिविंग राईज टू अ